Hello everyone, this is Heading Tian. In this video, we will learn chapter 11.3, combinations. Last class, we learned about permutation. That means we choose R items from N items. We choose R, and the order of, we need to arrange the order of the R items. And this lesson, we learned that we choose R items from N items, but we don't need to order the R, so the order doesn't matter. And also we will learn the formula of finding these combinations later. Okay, let's learn about the combinations. The permutation is an ordered arrangement of given group of items. A combination is a group of items taken without regard to their order. Permutation problems involve situations in which order matters. Combination problem involve situations in which the order of the item makes no difference. So let's find let's distinguish between the permutation and the combination. The first example. So find the first one and second one, third one. They are permutation or combinations. First one, 6 students are running for student government president, vice president, and the treasurer. The student with the greatest number of votes becomes the president. The second highest voter becomes vice president, and the student who gets the third largest number of votes will be treasurer. How many different outcomes are possible for these 3 positions? What's the meaning of this? So 6 students, there are 6 students. You choose 3 from 6, and then the 3 need to be ordered because there are 3 positions for these 3 selected people. They are president, vice president, and treasurers. So this one is the permutation because order matters. Let's move on to next question. 6 people are on the board of supervisors for your neighborhood park. A 3-person committee is needed to study the possibility of expanding the park. So we need to choose 3 out of 6, and the 3 of them are all committees. So we don't differentiate like the position or the order of these 3 because these 3 are all committees. No need to order them. So this is the combinations. First one is permutation. Second one is combinations. How about the next one? Baskin Robbins. This is a restaurant, fast food restaurant. They offer 31 different flavors of ice cream. One of its items is a bowl consisting of 3 scoops of ice cream, each a different flavor. How many such bowls are possible? So in this question, totally you have 31. You choose 3 scoops from 31. So do you need to order these 3? So another question to ask you that, do you mind which scoop, which flavor goes first in your bowl? So most people will not care. They don't care about which one comes first in your bowl. You just have the 3 flavors from 31. So the order doesn't matter. So this is combinations. So right now you find the meaning or the difference between the permutation and the combinations. Let's move on. So this is explanation. Please read it by yourself. And this example, you read it by yourself because it's not hard. Here, there is a formula for the combination. So n means you choose n items. Oh, you choose from n items. And you choose R. That means totally you have n items. You choose R items from n. And the formula to find the combinations is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial divided by r. From the permutation, we learned that equals n p r equals n factorial over n minus r factorial. Because the R we selected, the order matters. But right now, for the combination, the order of the R doesn't matter. So we need to divide it here, this position, we need to divide it by R factorial, because R factorial means we need to order the R in how many ways? And now in the combination, we don't need to order the R. So we just divide it by R factorial. Let's do a problem example. Example 3. 3-person committee is needed to study ways of improving public transportation. How many committees could be formed from the 8 people on the board of supervisors? So identify which one is N. N is 8 because 8 people. And we choose how many people from 8? 3-person committee, that is 3. So this is the combination. We choose 8 from, we choose 3 from 8. That is 8C3. Use the formula 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 3 factorial and 3 factorial. We got 8 factorial over 5 factorial times 3 factorial. And 8 equals 8, 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. So cancel out the 5 factorial. We have 8, 7, 6 left, and 3 factorial equals 3 times 2, which is 6. It's canceled out. So 8 times 7, 56. So we have 56 ways to form our committees. A 3-person committee. Okay, let's move on to next question. In poker, a person is dealt 5 cards from a standard 52-card deck. The order in which 5 cards are received doesn't matter. How many different 5-card poker hands are possible? So from 52, we choose 5 cards, and the matter doesn't matter. The order doesn't matter. That means 52. C5. You use your calculator to find the answer. 52 factorial. 52 minus 5 factorial and 5 factorial. And 52 minus 5 equals 47 factorial times 5. Okay, 52 times 51 times 50 times 49 times 48 times 47 factorial So 47 factorial times 5 factorial. Oh, sorry. 47. This is 47. Cancelled out. And 5 factorial, we can get 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Cancelled out this 10. So 13, 3, 17, 2, 10, 5. Oh, that's very messy here. So the final answer should be 2, 5, 9, 8, 9, 6, 0. Okay, let's move on to next example. Example 5. So read the question and understand what's the meaning of this. So totally you have 46 Democrats, 52 Republicans, and 2 independents. You need to make a 5-person committees. This 5-person committee must have 2 Democrats and 3 Republicans. So when we see there is and here. In this kind of question, and means multiply. So first, we find the 2 Democrats from 46 Democrats, and then 3 Republicans from 52 Republicans, and multiply them together. So when you see this kind of question, you must choose this R from the N and this R from this N. That means you multiply the combinations together. First, let's find 2 from 46. So 46, C, 2 equals 46 factorial, 46 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial equals, this part is 44 factorial. So the numerator is 46 times 45 times 44 factorial, and 2 factorial is 2. So canceled out, we get 23 times 45. Let me use my calculator to find the answer. It gives me 1035. Okay. Next part is choose 3 from 52, which is 52C2 is 52 factorial, and 52 minus 2 is 50. We make it easy. I skip some steps, but we better not skip the steps. So 52 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial equals 52 factorial. 50 over 2 equals 52. 52 times 51 times 50. 50 factorial times 2. Cancelled out and make it easier, 26. So the result should be, oh no, I make a mistake that selecting 3 Republicans out of 52 Oh, so here should be 3, not 2. So read the question carefully. Sometimes we made mistake. So 52 factorial, 52 minus 3 factorial times 3 factorial equals, so the bottom part, 52 minus 3 is 49 factorial. So 52 times 51, 49 factorial. 49 factorial times 3 factorial canceled out. We get 52 times 51 times 50 over 3 times 2 equals, use your calculator to find the answer. This is 22100. Okay, so here I mentioned about and. If we see and, we need to multiply the two results together. So the answer should be C46. Oh, sorry, 46C2 times 52C3. And multiply the result together, we get 22873. 500. There's no dot here. So we have these distinct committees can be formed. So these are all about chapter 11.3. If you have any question, let me know. Email me or contact me during the tutoring session. Have a good day.